Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're revisiting a classic topic and showing you some new pops. So we've been asked to revisit this topic. Why do we love pimples, zits, cysts, and acne? Not just the people on this channel, but millions and millions of people seem to want to see pimple popping. Some people think we have an internal yearning for hygiene, something inside of us that keeps us and our families free of bacteria and viruses. Others say that it's just a morbid curiosity. We like seeing bizarre and unusual things. Do people like watching for educational reasons? On this channel, we do our best to educate the audience about what they're seeing. Another fan pointed out that they watch because of the surprise aspect. They never know what will be inside that cyst or pimple, or when it will give way and pop for that matter. Ted from Amazing Medical pointed out that grooming like this is innate. Even chimps constantly groom each other. It makes sense that we would do it too, and people have been doing it for thousands of years. Do you get a thrill out of it, like you would from watching a horror movie? Does it give you an adrenaline rush? I'd love to hear your comments and opinions. Please let us know why people watch these videos. We love to hear your comments, and we'll reply to as many as we can. Thanks for watching. Oh, and so you don't miss out on future pops, click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. See you next time. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.